What is up, guys? William Hart with Hart Fitness, and today I'm going to be talking to you about calculating your macronutrients. So I have an example here. We have a 26-year-old female who is 5'6", 132 pounds, and her goal is to get down to 125 pounds and also build up her glutes. Okay, so through any BMR calculator you can use online, instead of doing the longhand, we've determined that her calories per day that she burns at rest is 1,357 calories. Okay, now we're going to put her total calories at 1,800 calories per day because she's semi-active at work, so we'll add 200 for that, and then she also wants to build up her glutes, so she's going to be training. Okay, so we're also going to bump up another few hundred calories for the actual energy she's going to need to actually train and build up her glutes. So 1,800 is a good estimate around there. We can always take away a little bit if she's not losing enough weight, or if we notice that her energy levels are suffering, then we might need to bump it up 100 to 2 calories. Okay, so now after we've determined total calories, we'll go into calculating the macronutrients. Okay, protein, fat, carbs. We'll start off with protein. As a general rule of thumb, you want 1 gram per pound of desired body weight. So desired body weight is 125 times 1 gram times 125. That's 125 grams of protein. Now, there's 4 calories per gram of protein. So we times 125 times 4 gives us 500 calories. So 500 calories of the 1,800 calories is going to be coming from protein. And the reason why we need to know this number is to finish up calculating carbs at the bottom here. We'll get to that in a second. Now we're going to move on to fat. A quarter of your calories, 0.25 of the 1,800, should be coming from fat. So you times 0.25 times 1,800, that gives you 450 calories. So 450 calories of the 1,800 is going to be coming from fat. Okay, there's 9 calories per gram of fat. So you do 450 divided by 9 is going to equal 50 grams. So we just determined that there's 125 grams of protein, and then now there's 50 grams of fat. Now, we use these two total calorie expenditures for protein and fat. We're going to add these right here, which is 950, and we minus that from the 1,800, which gives us 850 calories of the 1,800 is going to be coming from carbs. There's 4 calories per gram of carbohydrates, so you do 850 divided by 4, which is going to equal 212.5, and we'll just round up to 213 grams. That's just a basic process of determining, once you figured out your total calories, a basic process of how to figure out your macronutrients, because this is what destroys most people. They don't know how much macronutrients, what the proper ratio is that they should be eating in order to have good energy and be losing fat and be able to train and actually build muscle, because nutrition alone is what will get rid of fat. However, you're not going to build up your body and your musculature if you're not training. So the only way to shape your body is through training. So yes, you need the nutrition to burn the fat, but then you need the training in order to build the glutes. All right, so just a quick process.